Flodesk is a relatively new email marketing platform that is gaining quickly in popularity, not only because it has beautiful email templates that you can customize to match your brand, but it's also easy to use. And on top of that, it also allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for one flat rate. So if that's something that you're interested in, I'd be definitely checking Flodesk out. But in today's video, I just want to show you how you can integrate Flodesk with your Squarespace website. So I'll show you how to integrate both the inline form and the pop-up form that Flodesk offers. If you're new around here, my name is Ana Lea. I'm the owner and designer behind my design studio, where I create custom Squarespace templates, courses, and resources to help you make a stunning first impression online. And here on this channel, I share design, marketing, and tech tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So without further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. Okay, so I'm here in my Flodesk account, and I have a simple inline form that I've created before. I'm not going to go into too many details into how to create a form and how to customize it. What I'm interested in is showing you how you can actually add that form to your Squarespace website. So without further ado, we are going to click on the Embed tab. And then this is where we need to copy some of the code. So Flodesk is going to give us two pieces of code. You'll want to copy the first piece of code. Click Copy. And then we are going to go to our Squarespace website under Settings, Advanced, Code Injection. Again, keep in mind that this will work if you have a Squarespace business plan and up. If you have the most basic of plans on Squarespace, this will not work and you will need to use the landing page from Flodesk to collect your subscribers. So I'm going to paste this here, but you'll want to paste it on the first available line within your header injection, code injection area. And then I'm going to click on Save. And then we are going to paste this inline code. I'm going to click Copy. And then let's add it to a page. So again, I have a simple demo page, and I'm going to add a code block, code, like so. And I'm going to bring it here, make it slightly bigger, make sure it's centered, like that. And then I'm going to resize it. And I'm going to delete this text. And instead, I'm going to paste the code that Flodesk gives me. Then I'm going to click Save, Exit, and now we should see our Flodesk form right here. And as you can see, it's right here. And that is how you can get the inline form from Flodesk onto your Squarespace website. Now, you can add this to any page on your site. You can add it to the footer. You can also add it to any of your blog posts and basically insert it there. You just remember to add a code block wherever you want the form to show up. If you want this form to show up on any other page, the only other piece of code that you need to copy is this inline code. That is the only thing you need to copy when you want to add it to other pages on your website. This header code, you only add it once. You don't need to add it to your header area every time you want to add that specific form or any other form that you make in Flodesk to your website. The only piece that you need to copy for any new form or for this form to display on your site is this inline code. And then let's take a look at how you can add a pop-up form. So I'm going to go back to Forms and I'm going to choose this discount pop-up. I'm going to click on Edit. And then I'm going straight to the Embed tab. Again, we will copy this code and I'm going to go to Code Injection and I'm going to replace this script with this code. Click Save. And here under Customize tab, before you embed the form, you'll actually want to choose when this pop-up should display, whether immediately or after 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or when visitor scrolls 30%. I'm going to choose immediately so we can see it. And I'm going to click on Yes because I don't want cookies messing up with the form, but you would set that to No because you don't want the form to display to people who have already opted in. And then you can choose whether you want to be notified when somebody signs up. Click Continue. And then here, lastly, the only thing you want to choose is Display Success Message or Redirect to a URL. And then it's going to take us to the Embed section. And now if we go to my website, the pop-up form should activate and should display. So as you can see, it's right here. And this will show up on every page on your website. If you want it to show up only on certain pages on your website, then instead of this code injection area, you would add it to that specific page. So let me copy this, delete. Going to delete that, click on save. Let's say it's this one, and advanced, and then in the page header code injection area. And then click save. And if we go to an incognito window, and let me type in, obviously not that. There we go. The pop-up will appear only on this page. But if we go to any other pages on the website, it will not show up. As you saw when I loaded the home page, it wasn't showing up there, and it only showed up when I clicked on the demo page. So that is how you would get the Flodesk forms into your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.